Hey everyone, do you want to see this floating cola?
Yay!
Yay!
What do you have in there? What do you have with you? What are the things that we need?
This is Mentos.
Okay. It's okay. What else do you have?
This is some other Mentos inside.
Okay. And what else
This
do you
one
need?
I have a big thing. Cola.
Okay. Do you want to start now?
Yeah.
Okay. Show us.
Wait, you almost got to open it.
It's already open, baby. Are you ready? You need to stay away a bit, okay?
Alright.
Just one by one.
Wow! Yay! 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 Look at that! Ah!
You get it, baby.
Put it! Put it!
You get it with your hands.
There's more. There's more to come back again. How to get this out of here? How to get this out of here?
Come.
How to get this out of here?
Come.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh. Here.
Oh. Maybe we might spill it. Maybe we need to spill it. Oops. See?
We can see. You're covering it.
Oh my,
I think it's done.
maybe it's not done yet. Maybe
Yep.
we need
You
to-
say bye to everyone first.
Maybe we need to spill it.
Nope. Okay, say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye everyone. I'm going to spill it.
Say click and subscribe.
Click and subscribe if you see this again.
Bye.